Hi, my name is Karla and today I'm gonna be showing you how I made this beautiful dress just right before Valentine's Day. I think it has that perfect finish for a little bit of girly, classic, and elegant finish. The idea for the dress was to keep the body minimal, and for this dress what I wanted to do was sew it but no show any trace of thread, at least on the outside view. So in order to do that, what I did was I had my main fabric and I had the fabric that would go in the interior of the dress. And in order to obtain the pattern for the dress, what I did was I traced half of the portion of a strap top I already own, and I ensured that the neck would be square. In the diagram, you're able to see the ending measurements of the pattern for the dress, and that's already including the 1.5 inch all around the areas where I'll be sewing. The pattern for the back portion of the dress is pretty much the same as the front pattern, except it only follows from the armpit area to the center, leaving out the neck portion of the dress. Now that we have all the body pieces cut out, we're going to sew the main fabric separately from the interior fabric, ensuring that the main fabric is facing right sides together. Taking a break from the body portion of the dress, we're going to continue by making the straps for the dress. And in order to make them, we're going to need 4 long strips of fabric. In this case, the measurements that I used were 25 inches in length and 6 inches wide, but they're definitely optional. You can either go longer or wider. It just depends your preference. A little detail that I decided to add onto the straps was to make them pointy at the end, but not straight pointy, rather curved but pointy. Now continuing with the body of the dress. At this point, all we have to do is sew the main fabric and the interior fabric together. In order to do that, I wrap the main fabric with the interior fabric facing right sides together. And then I pin them all around the top portion of the dress.
What's love to a good thing, baby. Get it right, get it right, get it right. What's love to a good thing, baby. Get it right, get it right, get it right. I like you more than usual. Don't get too excited, girl.
But before sewing, we need to add the straps onto the dress. And what I did was I tucked in the straps between the main fabric and the interior fabric, placing them in the right areas, which are 2 straps in the corners of the square neck and 2 straps in the back, lining up with the front straps.
Cause this ain't what I'm used to now. Yeah, I'm just tryna pace it. No, maybe I'm saying too much on my brain. I'll tell you I'm crazy. You tell me the same thing. Maybe we're changing. I'm feeling a statement. We don't need that same thing now. And you ain't got to say no more. You ain't got to look for love. Love ain't no thing. What's there to lose? And you ain't got to say no more. That's my already says enough. What do you say? What's there to lose? Good thing, baby. Can we get it right? Get it right.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I would like to make more videos like this where I showed you the steps I took to make everyday wear, a little bit of fashion forward with a taste of my creativity. So thank you for watching. Until next time.